Hello everyone, I welcome you all for today's session of units dimension and error analysis. In today's session we'll be discussing around 20 problems on errors and its analysis. Right, now let us begin with the first problem. You have a cuboid and the volume is given by L into 2L into 3L, where length is the length of any one side. Now, if the relative percentage error in the measurement of L is 1%, that means relative percentage error is what? 1%. Then the relative percentage error in the measurement of V, right? Now, if the percentage error in L is 1%, in 2L also it will be 1%, because just you are multiplying it by 2, it does not mean that the error in L will also into L will also increase to 2%. It will remain 1% only. Okay, let me explain you with a simple example. Let us say the length is 10 centimeter. What will be the 1% of this? The 1% of this will be 0.1, right? If you are writing 2L, it will become this plus this. That means the new measured length will be 20, whereas the absolute error in L will now become, if you add this with this itself, it will become 0.2. What is this? This is 1% of this. Okay, just merely multiplying a length by 2 does not mean that the percentage error will increase, right? So the percentage error in L, 2L and 3L will be 1% only. So if you multiply, that means if you are finding volume in this fashion, okay, then the relative error in volume will be delta L upon L, right? And 3 times, because the error in this and this is same, so the relative errors are going to add up. It will become 3 times, right? So this is 3 into 1%, therefore the answer is 3%. That is, the error in volume will be 3%, right? Are you getting? Now let us move on to second problem. A student measured the diameter of a wire using a screw gauge. The screw gauge has a least count of 0.001 centimeter. 0.001 centimeter. Okay. And it listed the measurements. The correct measurement is, right, if an instrument is so precise or so accurate that it measures up to 1, 2 and 3 places of decimal, then the answer should also have 3 places of decimal, right? And if you check this is not possible. This is not possible because number of significant figures are here only 2. In this 3. In this it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This also is not possible because you can measure only up to 0.01 level of accuracy. And here this 0 indicates that you can measure up to 0.0001 centimeter of accuracy. So the answer has to be A, right? Very simple problem. Now a new unit of length is chosen such that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. Okay, a new system has been taken. Let us say the new system of unit is NU, in which the speed of light is the speed of light, which is actually 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, is is 1 some new unit. Let us say it is SU. I am writing SU, that is for new system of unit. Right? It is unity. Do you understand the meaning of this sentence? Okay. Now, if the light travels for 8 minutes and 20 seconds, 8 minutes and 20 seconds means 500 seconds, right? 8 into 60 is 480 plus 20 is 500 seconds. Now you have to specify the distance between the sun and earth, because light takes 500 seconds to reach from sun to earth, right? So if you wish to find out the distance, what you can do is the distance d will be given by the velocity into time taken, right? The velocity is 1 unit in the new system and the time is 500 seconds. So it will become 500 some new system of distance. This is some new unit of distance, right? So the answer will be 500. Option C is correct.